Hey, it's Jack, co-founder and CEO of Grapple. We have an exciting announcement today, so let's dig in and learn more. A few years ago, I had the idea for Grapple, and one of the first dashboards I dreamed up that you could build in Grapple is a customer health dashboard. This customer health dashboard would pull together insights from your CRM, your help desk software, your payment system, and maybe even your product usage analytics. This is a typical dashboard that I've built many times at companies I've worked at, and it's really difficult to pull all that data together. Today's announcement makes this possible in just a few minutes. So let's dig in. Often you'll encounter, whether it's in customer success, sales, marketing, or even product management, people will ask questions like, are my customer payments up to date? Do they have any outstanding support tickets? When's their next renewal? And are they using the product? You might go to your CRM to start to pull answers to these questions together. You might join companies with deal data or contacts, but you'll quickly realize that customer data is locked away in other sources like Zendesk for your help desk or Stripe for payments and subscription management. Grapple makes it really easy to bring all this data together and merge context from across teams or domains inside your business. Here we're looking at a map that I created in Grapple that pulls together all this context. Now that looks a little complicated, but the feature we're bringing today makes it really easy to drill down across all these different apps. Today we're announcing rollups. Rollups joins formulas as the second type of calculations you can build with Grapple. Rollups let you drill down across joined data sets and gather insights. For example, in this screenshot, we're pulling in the account manager for the company in HubSpot, we're summing the total payments, and then we're grabbing the last subscription status. Last subscription status, for example, is typically a tricky query. You actually want to get the most recent subscription by when the date was created and then pull in the status. You can generate something complex with that just with your natural language. So let's dive in. Here we're looking at a customer health dashboard that I've already spent a little bit of time building, so let's explore it and update it and add some visualizations. In the upper right-hand corner, I can see the data sources that I've already brought into Grapple for this project: Stripe, HubSpot, and Zendesk. We can click on one of these and see an overview of the data that's been related together for full context about our customers. Let's head back to the project and begin diving in. This first column is the name of the company from HubSpot, followed by the account manager that owns the account, total payments for that customer, if they have a subscription with us, the most recent status, the average ticket age, the total number of tickets open, and then a convenient link to their Zendesk org. This dashboard should be the most important customers who I want to track and maybe follow up with my support team or my finance team. So let's add a filter and only show customers who have a ticket count more than 0. I want to prioritize tracking customers who have outstanding tickets. And this will generate a filter. As a reminder, Grapple doesn't share any of your underlying business data with the AI model. We figured out a really cool way to both improve performance and efficiency of the model without exposing your data. So there, Grapple created for me a filter on my Zendesk data that pulls in this rollup called open ticket count when there are more than 0 tickets. And so I can see here that this customer has 18 open tickets, CBS News. Let's do a couple more things. I want to prioritize customers who have an active subscription with us. So I could come in and say subscription status is not empty, maybe for any customer subscription status. And this will apply a filter as well. Next, let's sort on the payment column so we know who my top customers are by total payment. We can see here that Google China, for example, does have an active subscription with us, has spent about $12,000, but they have 17 open tickets. That's a lot. Let's create a bar chart to visualize who my top customers are that have the most open tickets so that I can triage and prioritize account outreach. I'm going to come to visualize bar chart and then ask how many tickets per customer. And Grapple is going to use this underlying data in the table below to generate a bar chart that shows my top customers who really need help. And we can see that CAD Design, Amazon D, and Haibu, some of which are fictional companies, really need my help because they have a lot of open tickets. One thing that's really cool is you could share this with your account management team and let each rep individually filter down on just their account or their book of business. So for example, if Andrew wanted to come in and just find his customers, he could type in Andrew and see across his book of business. Let's add a couple more bar charts. I can come to visualize, big number, and ask how many tickets total. Maybe I want to use this like a score for my team to drive that number to 0. We could also do another visualization, for example, how much total payments And Grapple, I'm even misspelling some of these field names, and you're noticing that Grapple's catching my spelling error and fixing that for me. So here we have the beginnings of a powerful customer health dashboard that will help me prioritize the customers that need my help most. We'd love to help you build a similar dashboard, and you can do that yourself by signing up at cloudgrapple.com or book a demo, and we'll get you set up and running really quickly. Thanks so much.